This is the moment a supersonic Su-27 Soviet-era fighter jet is transported by helicopter. The MiL Mi-26 multipurpose transport helicopter was called in to move the fighter jet to a new military exhibition in the Leningrad region in Russia. The Ministry of Defence said that the Mi-26 chopper lifted the 23-ton aircraft around 200 metres into the air, which is around 656 feet. The Su-27, which was named the Flaker by NATO, has a top speed of 2,500 kilometres an hour, which is around 1,600 miles, and a range of 3,500 kilometres, which is over 2,000 miles.